Mathematicians who like to subtract by starting with the bigger number and taking away the other number in chunks can use the number line. Let's take a look at this strategy in action. Let's subtract the number 821 minus 577. So first, I'm going to sketch out my number line, and I want to make sure that both sides of my number line have a double-headed arrow because number lines go on in either direction for infinity. I'm going to start with the bigger number, and because I'm going to subtract, which means moving to the left this way, I want to make sure that I am starting to the right so that I can continue to subtract off to the left. So I'm going to start with my first number, 821, and now I'm going to take away the other number in chunks. So first I'm going to take away the hundreds. It's a big chunk, and I'll be able to take away 500, which lands me on 321. Now, I'm going to take away the tens, 70. And this is going to be a little bit more difficult, so I have to think 321 has 20 tens. It's too big of a jump. How about if I just do 20 first? That way, I can get to 301. And now taking away an additional 50 is much easier, 251. That was much easier when I took away 50 and 20 instead of all 70 at once. And now I just need to take away 7. But again, this might be a little tough. So how about if I took away 1 first to get to 250, and then I'll take the remaining 6 away to get to 244. So using the number line, I know that 821 minus 577 is 244.